थैंक यू रोहित। अब तकनीकी सत्र के अगली कड़ी में मैं सुरेंद्र कुमार पांडे जी को बुलाना चाहूँगा कि आप आएँ, अपना रिसर्च प्रेजेंटेशन करें। सुरेंद्र कुमार पांडे।
हाँ, हेलो, नमस्ते सर। द सोशोलॉजिकल स्टडी ऑफ फॉर्मल एजुकेशन स्टेटस इन ट्राइबल ऑफ सेंट्रल इंडिया। इंट्रोडक्शन। इंडिया हैज़ अ वायरस टाइप ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी, एथनिक डाइवर्सिटी बीइंग्स ऑफ मोस्ट प्रोमिनेंट अमंग ऑफ देम सेंट्रल इंडिया इज नॉन एज द डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ वोल ऑफ इंडिया। तो भारत में कई विभिन्न प्रकार की जनजातियाँ हैं और भारत की ये जो हमारी विविधता है वो हमारी विविधता, जैसे जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने अपनी पुस्तक डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया उसमें एक बात कही थी, भारत में विविधताएं से ही एकता है। तो ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज़ इन सेंट्रल इंडिया इज इंक्लूडिंग गोंड, बैल, भील, बैगा, सारिया, भारिया एंड अदर sociology cultural rich communities. These are communities have preserved their unique traditions, language and rich culture, while historical these communities have been marginalized. Access to formal education in this region remains a serious issue. Even after 77 years of independence, Central India has been victim of inequalities despite being of rich culture, economics and political fields. The lack of formal education among the tribes is reflections of socio-economic inequalities. In the last few decades, the government of India has made a significant efforts of improve education outcome of tribal of bridges structural inequalities, but it that not enough. In 2000, the government of India has tried to reduce education inequalities through scheme like Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, right to free and compulsory education for act, और जैसे हमारा फंडामेंटल राइट्स भी है एजुकेशन का। Research objective to identify factors of influencing formal education of the tribes, to assess of the role of government initiative and policies in improving educational access to formal education of the tribes, to assess the role the government initiative of in policies in improving education access to formal education of tribals of India. Theoretical framework with theoretical frame within a sustainable theoretical framework is sociological study of formal education situation among the tribal communities in central India must be carried out of numerous sociology vantage points of proof light of interaction between the education and society, particular intents of inequality. Functional perspective. The functional perspective holds that education is the essential education for the layer of culture, values, information and skills necessary social comprehension, integration, functionalist content that education creates social order by enabling biological people become social beings, things and giving them means of which they engage and contribute to society. On the other hand, of the social education system frankly function in tribal community inside the culture framework that differ from the lived experiences, the worldview of the indigenous population. There is a mismatch between the demands of tribal groups and formal education, since the curriculum instructions of heritage and language of infrastructure and frequently centered of mainstream culture values. Conflict theory is the particularly those are developed by Karl Marx, जिसे हम द्वंद्व के रूप में भी जानते हैं. View education as an institution that reduce exciting social inequalities. According to conflict theory, education serves the interest of dominant social groups, helping of maintain the status quo while reinforcing classes, ethnic and cultural division for tribal communities in central India. Formal education can be seen as a mechanism that perpetuates social economics hierarchies. Tribal student who often comes from low socio-economics background and face economic, culture and linguistic barriers that were further disadvantaged by the formal education system, which favor the urban middle class, widening the gap between them and the tribal population. Culture capitalism, Pierre Bourdieu theory of culture capitalism is particularly relevant by understanding the dynamics of education in tribal communities. According to Bourdieu, individual, the group process various forms of capital, economic, social and culture that is influence their ability to success within education system. Formal education system as tribal and non-tribal peoples land have to culture capitalism associate with the urban cities such as a proficiency in the dominant language Hindi or English. Familiar with the modern bureaucrat system and the limited access to education resource, tribal students whose culture capital is often rooted in their indigenous language, knowledge system and practices find themselves marginalized to the formal education system. The sociology framework helps to better understand the formal education of tribal students. It also helps explain the difficulties faced in adapting to formal education, dropout rates among population and other social inequalities, deficit government efforts to improve education access for tribal communities. Intersectionality, another theory, intersectionality, which has the emphasis of interconnected nature of social categories such as ethnicity, gender, class, geographic location. Aboriginal student often experience multiple disadvantage. For example, students for aboriginal communities face not of barriers of economics deprivation and culture marginalized, but that also transportation, geographical inequalities. Responsibility of formal education, it's essential develop of minute understanding of intersectionality of the social categories can that will reflect address the education challenges facing as aboriginal population. The study of uses mixed method approach to combining both inequalities method to gain a detailed understanding of the status of formal education. Bhil, Baga, these tribes who selected due to significant population size, geographical spread and variation in education outcome. Additionally, they represented a broad spectrum of tribal experience. Is with formal education ranking off from higher literacy rates some gone back communities to much lower rates among the Baga users of secondary data as the government report ensures census data and education statistics where his analyzed to complement the primary data as the providing a broader context for the research findings. The qualitative data were analyzed using the theoretical analysis to identify recurring themes related to varying and inequality of education in tribal communities. Literacy rate and education, the literacy among the scheduled tribes, Central India, according to the 2000 census, where is the 58.96%, which is significantly lower than in national average of 74% in Central India literacy rate.
Conclude करिए जल्दी.
Among major tribal groups such as the Gond, Bhil, Baga shows considered variation of Gond tribes, which is the largest tribes in Central India, reflected higher literacy rate, although still lags behind the national average. Contrast, the Baga tribes in similar geographical isolated group has literacy rate as low as 40%, as the significant gender disparities in education attainment. Barriers, gender barriers of formal education, culture factor of plays a significant role in shaping tribal communities' attitude toward the formal observation. In many tribal society, traditional knowledge system are valued for formal oral traditional, local ecological knowledge and indigenous knowledge. Local are central and tribal ended, which survival is the result of formal education, which often emphasize non-irrelevant or harmful of the preservation of tribal culture. Economics barrier or structural barriers. Government initiative, their impact. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. The Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan launched in 2001 is one of the largest government programs aimed by achieving universal elementary education of India. The Right of Education Act 2009, Tribal Development Program, and In another example of the uses of challenges faced by significant tribal, the Baga tribes, out of most marginalized group in central India. Discussion socio-economic implication of education among the tribal population. The socio-economic condition had trapped cycle of poverty and marginalized with limited perspectives. And और हमारे पास कुछ डेटा है कि ऑब्जर्वेशन ओवरऑल लिटरेसी को बोथ मध्य प्रदेश एंड छत्तीसगढ़ स्टडी इंटर। ओके, थैंक यू।
आपने बोला अभी और किसी का नहीं हो गया भैया कहाँ है?
अब ऑफलाइन सेशन का है वो वहाँ 17 नंबर में चला गया ऑफलाइन।
अब चालू